Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to share this simple recipe which is called native jollof rice. So stay tuned to the end of this video, guys. So guys, here are the ingredients I'm going to use for this beautiful recipe. As you can see guys, I have crayfish, onions, dry fish, fresh tomato, paprika, and Maggie seasoning with Onga seasoning. This is Onga soup. So, and I have here with me my rice. Yes guys, the next step is to just soak my dry fish with hot water, as you can see, and add in a little bit of salt. The next step is to blend my paprika, onions, fresh tomato inside my blender. Just add in a little water and blend everything together. Yes guys. After that, I will just pour it in my rice, but before then I have already washed my rice because I don't want this video to be too long, so I skipped that part to save the time. So the next thing is to add in my crayfish, dry fish, which is already washed. So guys, I skipped when I was washing the dry fish. As you can see, it's already washed and clean. Yes guys, the next step is to add in my red palm oil. Yes, just add the amount of red oil I want. Then after then I will just add my Onga seasoning. In fact, just add in all the ingredients you want. Just add it inside the rice and add water, leave it to cook, and you are good to go. So that is it guys. This recipe is very easy and simple to achieve. So if you're watching me for the first time, you've not yet subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly join the family by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis, and my channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos. If I see anything that caught my attention, trust me, I can as well film it. And if you have any video suggestion, don't forget to drop some line at the comment section down below. At this moment my rice is getting ready. Yes guys, and I forgot to show my scent leaf. This recipe I added some scent leaf on it. As you can see, I just finished washing it. It was a dry scent leaf that I brought out from the freezer. So if you are my OG returning subscribers, thank you so much. I see you. So guys, at this moment I'm going to use foil paper to cover it because I want the rice to be properly done, as in well cooked. Yes guys, so right now the rice is ready. Oh my goodness, this is so yummy. Is this rice not looking so delicious? Like seriously guys, the rice is sugary lekker. Oh my god, I can't stop praising it. Very simple and easy to cook. You don't have to stress yourself when cooking this delicious jollof rice. Yummy native jollof rice, delicious palm oil rice. You can call it any name you like. Oh my god. So guys, I have an end stream that will pop up at the end part of the video. Please do check it out. Yes, and also feel free to check out my other videos. Guys, if you have any video suggestion, please don't hesitate to drop some line. Yes, at the comment section down below. So guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video. You can see how beautiful this jollof rice is looking. Oh my goodness guys, yes, It was lovely preparing this jollof rice. So see you guys in my next upcoming video. As of now, I am out. Bye.
Yo.